Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about interpolation method. So, what is interpolation? In a simple way, interpolation is the method in which you have to find the unknown data type by the help of given data type. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. For example, in this question, as you can see here, the question is find the cumulative frequency for a speed of 55 km per hour. So here you have given two column of speed and cumulative frequency, and you have to find the cumulative frequency for a speed of 55 km per hour. Let me first check that the cumulative frequency for 55 km per hour is given or not. I think the value is not given. So 55 is lies between 50 and 60. For that, we have to find the cumulative frequency in between these two numbers. Alright? And for this, we have only one method, that is interpolation. So now I would show you the best method for interpolation to solve. Within 30 seconds, your question will be solved. What you have to do is draw a horizontal line and within it draw two vertical lines. And in between these two vertical lines, you have to write that value, which one is given and which you have to find, that is the corresponding value that you have to find. As you can see here, 55 is given in the question, and for that you have to find the value. So put 55 here, and for that what you have to find is the cumulative frequency. For that I put k here. Alright. Now which speed value is given before 55, that value is 50, and after that what is given 60. So before 55 the value is 50, and after 55 the value is 60. And for both the speed, cumulative frequency are given as, that is 16 and 19. So for 50 the value is 16, and for 60 the value is 19. And you have to find the value of this k. Now what you have to do is, first of all, minus the first value from the middle value. After that, divide that from this first value minus second value. Alright. Now I will tell you how. That is 55 minus 50 upon k minus 16. Okay. Now minus the first value from the third value, and after that divide that from first value minus third value, that is 60 minus 50 upon 19 minus 16. I hope you understand that how I interpolate these numbers. Now you have to find this k value. Let's solve it. So now that will be 5 divided by k minus 16 is equal to 10 divided by 3. After that, now k minus 16 is equal to 15 divided by 10. If you solve this, you get k is equal to 16 plus 1.5, that is k is equal to 7.5. Okay. Okay then, I have another question. After that your doubt would be more clear. So the question is, find the design shear stress for 0.95% of steel. Okay, both are given. Percentage of steel is given and also shear stress is given, design shear stress. So here 0.95% will be lie, I think in between 0.7 and 1. And for that you have to find the corresponding value of tau c. So again, use the same method. Draw a horizontal line and two vertical lines. Now put the unknown value that you have to find in the middle. So unknown value is tau c. Write it here. And for tau c, the corresponding value is 0.95%. So write it here. Alright, it's not a hard and fast rule that you have to always write the unknown values in up or in down. Like what I did in the previous question, I put unknown in down. And now in this question, I am putting unknown in upside. It's not going to affect your answer, but it will make an effect when you put this middle value here or here. You have to put unknown values only in the middle and the side value always put inside. That value which are unknowns always write in the middle. Understood? So proceed. Okay. Before 0.95 the value is 0.7 and after that the value is 1. Alright, thus the corresponding value of 0.7 is 0.5 and for 1 is given 0.6. Now you can do interpolation easily. What you have to do is, first of all, again minus the first value from the middle value. After that, divide that from this first value minus second value. Alright, now it will become, that is tau c minus 0.5 upon 0.95 minus 0.7. After that, now minus the first value from the third value and after that divide that from first value minus third value. That is 0.6 minus 0.5 divided by 1 minus 0.7. So we get this equation. Let's solve it. So this will become tau c minus 0.5 divided by 0.25. 0.95 minus 0.7, that is 0.25, is equal to 0.1 divided by 0.3. It's become the ratio of 1 by 3 multiplied by, I write it here, 0.25. This become another value. So now add 0.5 here. After solving this, you get the tau c value is equal to 0.583. You get the value of tau c. In this way you can use interpolation. I hope you like this video. See you again in another video. Bye bye.